Every year, 4.8 million children in sub-Saharan Africa die before the age of 5. 1/3 of these deaths is attributed to undernutrition. Vitamin A deficiency is a particularly major challenge facing children and women of reproductive age. It is estimated that the rate of vitamin A deficiency is as high as 69% in some African countries. The orange-fleshed sweet potato, or OFSP, is biofortified with vitamin A and is considered a classic and cheaper source of vitamin A, especially for vulnerable communities.
Tunafurahia sana hivi viazi kwa sababu vinasaidia sana kwa sababu watoto wenye utapiamlo.
The Reaching Agents of Change project, or RAC, has therefore been advocating policy change, raising of investments and building capacities in favor of OFSP in 3 target countries, namely Tanzania, Mozambique and Nigeria, and, to a lesser extent, Ghana and Burkina Faso.
So the idea that we came up with was, let's invest in identifying and training advocates within key countries.
Working with 55 national advocates and 11 regional champions, RAC was able to mobilize at least $21 million devoted to OFSP programs.
When we were ready to write down the policy on agriculture, we brought out this crop. So when we decide to enlarge statistic data collection, we brought out the need to collect the data on orange-fleshed sweet potato. When we designed the program for extension service, we mainstreamed these crops.
Moreover, OFSP and biofortification was included in about 18 key policy papers in the 3 target countries. RAC built the capacities of 51 agencies to design and implement gender-sensitive OFSP projects so as to benefit from the mobilized resources. Additionally, in partnership with the University of Eduardo Mondlane in Mozambique, Sokoine University of Agriculture in Tanzania, and the Agricultural and Rural Management Training Institute in Nigeria, RAC trained 4,476 individuals as key change agents in the OFSP value chain.
We were invited by Sokoine University of Agriculture, and we went there. We were opened, our eyes were opened, and we understood we have varieties that are known, that are tested.
RAC also established a total of 17.6 and 23.8 hectares respectively of primary and secondary OFSP seed multiplication plots, which saw 132,877 households gain access to vines.
We anticipate that in the next 5 years, we'll have reached directly about 600,000 households, and hopefully they will also be able to reach, through farmer-to-farmer connections, to reach levels of about 1.2 million in the next 5 years.
RAC has demonstrated that even with limited resources and in just a short period of 3.5 years, it is possible to upscale food-based technologies such as OFSP to cause impact at scale. On this basis, RAC encourages donors, philanthropists, governments and the private sector to invest in projects like RAC.